Hi guys, this is Katie and welcome to another road trip series. So it is a sunny summer day and we have got a trip over to Cleveland with a few stops on the way. So tonight we're going to Notre Dame because we are going to our first ever minor league game. So that's what you're going to see in this video. Tomorrow we're going to see a Chelsea game. They're coming over to play a football friendly against Celtic in Notre Dame as well. Then we're going to go to Cincinnati for 2 days, watch some more baseball there. Then we're going to go to a place called Berlin, which is an Amish country area. It's apparently the largest Amish community in the world, so that should be interesting. And then we are going to end up in Cleveland for WWE SummerSlam. Very exciting stuff, can't wait. Just picked up our car keys from the rental place nearby and we're going to get going. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, then follow along. Right, we have made it to Notre Dame. It was meant to be an hour and a half drive. It actually took about 2 hours because the traffic was really bad. But we've made it here. We're staying at the La Quinta Hotel. It's La Quinta Wyndham in Notre Dame by South Bend or the other way around. One of the two things. It's something, it has like near in the title. But we've just checked in. We've just actually ordered, there's like a little burger place across the, up the road. So we've ordered like a little burger in because we're starving, we haven't had lunch yet and it's now 4 o'clock because the times went forward. So we've ordered that, we're gonna freshen up, eat some food, and then we're going to go down to South Bend for the baseball game later. So we're seeing a minor league game, first ever minor league game, very excited. This is actually the team that Chicago Cubs are associated with, so that should be fun. But yeah, I thought I'd give you a quick room tour as well. It's a really basic hotel, but in case you're in this area, this is where we're staying. So you come in, you have a little space here. We have suitcases and camera bags, and we also bought some water and Dr. Pepper with us. You have a microwave, fridge, a little coffee machine. The fridge is actually pretty big. You don't normally get ones that big when you are traveling around. King size bed. We went for the king room. You could also go for 2 double beds type things, but we went for this one. Wardrobe space, usual wardrobe space. Oh, it has a ironing board in it. I say as if I'm going to iron anything. It has TV, desk space. They also have like a load of even here I actually just noticed they have like a load of delivery brochures out as well. Because this place is just like full of restaurants or whatever. Little seating area, and we overlook the car park. So this is the bathroom. It's quite a nice big bathroom actually. It's this is just like a chain place in the US, but it's nice big bathtub, mirrors with lights, always like that, and then toilet, shower. Yeah, it looks pretty spacious, pretty big. So yeah, easy basic room. I think it's like $130 a night, something like that. But we're just here because we've got Chelsea tomorrow. So we're here for 2 nights. We're going to see the baseball today, Chelsea tomorrow, and then on the Sunday we're going to drive to Cincinnati. So I'm going to freshen up, eat, and I shall check in with you in a bit. So we are here at the Four Winds Field. This is where the game is today. Very excited. It's so, we've been to a lot of the Major League Baseball stadiums by now, but this is like a small time. I'm excited for it. Let's go. So if you've watched any of our baseball videos before, you'll know that we have like a baseball book that you get stamped. There's also a minor league one. It's our first minor league game, so we're going to go into the team store and get it stamped. So we are just going into the 5th inning. We've had such a nice little time here. They have got like, there's like a load of kids zones if you have like family, you come here with children. They have like a load of food and drink places obviously. I got myself a souvenir, well actually, I got sangria in a mason jar and it's like got the logo on it. I think it's cute. They also had like an autograph station type thing earlier when we first came in. I think it was a player who used to play for the Cubs. I'll put some photos in, but yeah, we met him, that was nice, got his autograph, Callum went and bought a baseball for him to sign. And yeah, we've just been enjoying the game. It's much slower pace than the major leagues. I know that they made like a change recently about the major league ones to speed up the games. Don't know if they've done that with this, but it's fun. It's like we're enjoying it, the sun's setting, it's a nice like family atmosphere. And they won! And we have some fireworks coming as well. It's Fireworks Friday night. Yay!